Hello children, now we are going to discuss the questions comes under the theme measurements in the past papers of 2018 and 2019 Central Province papers. So first let us discuss 2018 question. The question is, the figure shows a rectangular land area of a garden with length 48 meters and breadth 24 meters. The semicircular part and the triangular part are flower beds and other area is covered with grass. So they have given the diagram. You can see it is a rectangular shaped garden, and there's a semicircular part and a triangular part. So they tell these two parts, the semicircular part and the triangular parts, are flower beds covered with grass. So the first question is, find the arc length of the semicircular part. Now in this figure, in the semicircle they have given the diameter as 42 meters. That means you can take the radius as 21 meters, and you know how to find the arc length of a semicircle. To find the arc length, you are going to use the formula theta over 360 into 2 phi r. Here, since it is a semicircle, the value of theta will be equal to 180 degrees. Now let us substitute the values and find the arc length. 180 over 360 into 2 phi r. 180 over 360 means half into 2 times. I have substituted 22 over 7 instead of 5, and the radius is 21. So when I simplify this expression, I will get the arc length of the semicircle will be 66 meters. The second part, there is a fence around the flower beds. Find the length of the fence. So if you look at the diagram, you can see the flower beds are semicircular part and the triangular part. So to find the perimeter, you have to add the distances along this flower bed. So you have to add 4 meters, the arc length, again it will be 4 meters and 48 meters, and you have to find the length of EB. That will be, you have to subtract 10 meters from 24 meters. So to find the perimeter, you can simplify this expression. 4 meters plus 66 meters is the arc length, plus 4 meters plus 14 meters plus 48 meters. The answer will be 136 meters. The third part, find the total area covered with grass. So, to find the total area covered with grass, you have to subtract the area of the semicircular part and the area of the triangular part from the area of the rectangle. So, the area of the rectangle will be obtained by multiplying 24 into 48, and the area of the semicircular part can be obtained by multiplying half times 22 over 7 into 21 into 21. Here the formula you are going to use is theta over 360 into 5r squared, and I have substituted the values, plus half times 48 times 14. From that you will obtain the area of the triangular part. So when you simplify this expression, you will get 1152 minus 693 plus 336. So the final answer will be 123 square meters. Now the next part is to grow grass. Another rectangular land area equal to the area of ABE is attached to side AB from outside ABCD land area. Find the breadth of the above rectangular land area and draw a rough sketch on the above figure to show the new attachment with measurements. So before we draw the sketch, we have to find the width of the new rectangle. So you can find the width of the rectangle by dividing the area 336 square meters by the length of the rectangle. We know the length because we are going to use AB as one side. So when you divide 336 by 48, the width will be 7. So you have to draw a sketch like this. That means I have attached a rectangular part to this the rectangle we had, such that AB is one side. So when you are drawing the sketch, you have to write down the measurements. So here I have indicated the width of the new part attached is 7 meters. Okay, now let us move on to the question given in 2019 paper. They tell ABCDEFG is a flower bed in a garden. ABFG and CDEF are squares and FBC is a sector. So it is clear for you all that ABGF is a square and CDEF is also a square. And FBC is a sector and the angle at the center is 90 degrees. So the first part is find the length of arc BC. So in the earlier question also we discussed how to find the arc length. Here the angle at the center is 90. So 90 over 360 into 2πr. The radius will be 7 meters. So when I substitute the values, 90 over 360 means 1 over 4 times 2 into 22 over 7 into 7. So when I simplify this expression, you will get the arc length is equal to 11 meters. The second part, find the perimeter of the flower bed. So to find the perimeter, you have to add the lengths AB, AG, GF, FE, ED, DC and the arc length BC. So when you add these values, you will get the perimeter of the flower bed as 53 meters. Now the third part is find the area of the flower bed. Now here also you have to find the area separately. That means first you can find the area of the square ABGF and the area of the square CDFE and the area of the sector FBC. So I have written area is equal to 2 times 7 meters into 7 meters because the measurements are equal, and I have found the area of one square and multiplied by 2 plus 1 over 4 times 22 over 7 into 7 meters into 7 meters. The formula I have used to find the area of a sector is theta over 360 into 5r squared. So when you simplify these values, you will get 98 square meters plus 38.5 square meters. Therefore, the area of this flower bed will be 136.5 square meters. The fourth part is a rectangular part is to be adjoined to the above flower bed such that the area of it is equal to the area of the shaded part and such that GF is one side of it. Sketch in the figure with measurements how the rectangular part should be adjoined. So the figure they have given is this, and you are going to attach a new rectangular part to this figure such that the area of that rectangle is equal to the area of the shaded part. So first you have to find what is the area of the shaded part. To find that, you can subtract the area of the triangle FBC from the area of the sector FBC. So, earlier we found the area of the sector is 38.5 square meters. I have taken that value and minus half times 7 meters into 7 meters. From that you will obtain the area of the triangle. So, when you simplify this expression, you will get the area of the shaded part is 14 square meters. And in the question they say you have to attach this rectangle such that GF is one side of it. That means one side of the rectangle should be equal to 7 meters. Either it can be length or breadth. So, if you find the length of the new rectangular part, actually it should be the breadth because it is less than GF. So, when you divide 14 square meters by 7 meters, it is equal to 2 meters. So, you have to sketch the diagram like this, and GF is one side of it, and I have written the measurement, the breadth of the new rectangular part is 2 meters. Okay, I suppose you understood the two questions under the theme measurements, and we'll meet up in the next session regarding percentages.